control board went bad on my furnace. I needed heat. So I tied the exhaust fan, the blower motor into the live in the neutral. And my gas valve needs 24 volts AC at 0.43 amps, 4,300 milliamps. So I have an AC to AC power supply. Not AC to DC. If phone chargers won't work, even if you put them in series, it's AC to AC. And that opens my gas valve. If I don't have that exhaust fan going before I open the gas valve and I go to light it, it's going to fuck up shit. And I mean,